Now let's create a new workflow to show you something that is really a big step forward. And that is that you can use agents and supervisor nodes to communicate with each other like a team. These agent team workflows have been very popular during the last few months. For example, Crew AI is one of them. And I'm using one for my own company. So let's load a chat flow here, which is just a JSON file. And here it is. Just to explain what it does, we have a chat OpenAI node here, which we need to connect with our credentials. And I'd like to use the last GPT-4o model, which is able to do this. This is a so-called supervisor node. And the idea is that the supervisor is going to assign tasks to different members of the team, which are called workers in this instance. And I have two workers here. It's a simple process. We have a rule learner. Here are the rules. The rule learner should learn the following rules to describe the code. This is about the style. I don't want any hallucinations. These are the don'ts, what the AI shouldn't do. And here are some more instructions, very concrete. This is required to put in an MQL5 code. So let's pick one here. Let's pick this simple order close time MQL5 code, which is meant to run in MetaTrader. Give the workflow a name. And now let's paste in the code and see what happens. This is the supervisor talking to the rule learner. Learn the rules for explaining the source code provided by the user. And the rule learner provided a description, which looks reasonable. Now I'm going to use GPT-4o mini to show you something. This model is not so capable, so I guess we will see several iterations. Here is the response from the rule learner, and now the rule critique is kicking in, checking the code that has been provided, checking the code description, and here are some improvement suggestions. That goes back to the supervisor who says that the rule learner should do a better job and make some improvements according to the rule critique. And now we should get an updated draft. Here it is. The supervisor sets the whole state to finished, which means that all the work has been done according to the rules. This is the complete video description. And now I can use text-to-speech to create an audio lane for my video file, which explains the source code. And I'm going to use the end result in videos like this one, where I have this lady here who can use the audio lane to explain the whole code. And everything she says was created by these guys, the supervisor, the rule learner, and the rule critique. And that is how you can use agent frameworks to assign different tasks to different worker instances. And you could even use different models for each worker. And that is my real-world case, how you can use AI to create something that is really complex, like code explanation should be, and it just takes a few minutes to do it.